I'm going to be chairing the Who Has the Best Machine for the Job panel discussion. There's a lot of debate about what's the optimum size or how big they can go. I mean, now at the moment we're looking at a lot of 5 megawatt turbines which have already been installed. People have 6 megawatt machines actually up and running, and there's manufacturers working on 7 and 8 megawatt machines. So we're talking about really massive machines here that need to be installed in very challenging weather conditions. Anything up to 40 or 50 or 60 or 80 kilometres offshore and in very deep water sometimes. So it's a real huge engineering challenge and very exciting. Potentially, just as oil and gas was a big job creator in the 1970s and 1980s, offshore wind is a very good opportunity for the UK to really create a new industrial sector that will benefit a lot of smaller companies down the supply chain. Now, we're in a race here because the UK is not the only country doing offshore wind. Germany is developing quite fast, and it has the manufacturing capacity to really back this up. The French have also done 2 big offshore wind tenders and are building industrial capacity there. So for the UK to really get the jobs and the benefits, the UK needs to develop in a way which will give manufacturers the certainty that they need to be in the UK first and not in these other places. I've been covering energy for quite a long time as a journalist, and really there's very few opportunities like this one where you see a whole new sector grow from almost nothing into a major industrial opportunity in very few years. And it's a story that has lots of interesting elements about it. It's a huge engineering challenge. I don't think anybody's ever done anything on this scale using new technology. And it's also about reinventing Britain's energy mix. As you know, our energy sector is ageing, it's based on old fossil fuels, and the UK will desperately need the power that these kind of projects will bring. And it's also about politics, and it's about finance, and it's a very interesting corporate story about who's going to win in this kind of very exciting new market.